Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel! Punta kami sa Kapatagan. So, we are excited today because we are going to Camsabros in Kapatagan, Digos City. So, nagbiyahe pa kami ngayon and it takes 2 hours from Jensen to Digos. And from Digos to Kapatagan, 1 hour po siya. Hindi kaabot dira ba? Hindi maano oh.
Ay, ayun ang kapila kay wala na dyan ko takay.
Kita mo si Kale. Pinakatis na sa pag-speak. That's Kale. On my behalf. Show Kale, friend. Yeah, later.
Okay.
Yes. That's
Kuya,
yes.
yung ulo mo.
What's your lunch? I don't want braces. Those are braces. No, you want You're welcome.
Tulog. Sa likod. Beauty.
4 and 5 Kelvins. Guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Mommy.
Kuya, ilagay mo yung dito.
And me. Nag-beauty face. And again, we're here at Kapatagan. And this is Maxie. And Candy. Hi. Or Candy. Candy. Candy's Candy.
And me.
Yeah. And baby, we're gonna swing with her.
What's that?
Where's mine?
It's okay.
What? They're lucky. Nakasakay sila horse. Where's my scarf? Doon tayo sa kainan.
Come na, come.
Yes, dali.
Yes. Hi. Sa Mount Sabros. Ay, bakit Mount ako palagi? Camsabros.
Sana tayo.
Ah,
Sana tayo
sige.
sa hair.
Scarf daw niya.
You just came.
Huwag niyo akong tapakan.
Sorry.
Tinatapakan ako.
I'm gonna go somewhere. I'm gonna hold that. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come here. I will hold it. Okay. Don't hold it. Where are they?
Doon.
I don't know. I will hold it so that you can use it. You can do it like this. Yeah. Where are we supposed to go? We can see him.
Okay.
Oh. I'm not hiding. Horse ride. She can't. Where to Mommy can horse ride.
Dapat di na ka mag-hawak.
Mommy, can I horse ride? Huh? Can we horse ride?
Later. Mag-eat muna tayo.
Ayan sila.
So, aakyat kami doon kasi kakain na kami ng lunch. Past 12 na kasi gutom na ang lahat. So, tara tingnan natin kung anong meron doon sa taas. Medyo maraming tao dito ngayon. Nakakapagod pala umakyat. Gutom ka na nga, aakyat ka pa ng ganito. Pero masaya naman kasi maraming tao, tsaka siguro masarap yung pagkain.
Hindi ko alam. Malubag. Wala ko may mo dito. Hindi ako mukha.
Mommy, can I hold a
So, dito na kami sa taas, guys. Ganito pala yung makikita mo. Meron siyang restaurant. Ngayon, medyo mainit siya, pero merong time na biglang lumalamig. Ganun po siya, guys. So, ngayon, guys, maghihintay tayo ng vacant na table kasi marami talagang tao. Punuan siya, kaya wala tayong magawa. Maghintay talaga kahit gutom na gutom na.
Gutom na talaga, guys.
Ngayon po nakakuha na tayo ng table.
Ito na na-order namin. Wala pa yung ibang pagkain. Gutom na. Kain tayo, guys. Kain na ako pa. See you later. Kain na kami. Kahit
So we are here at Kamsabros. The food is good. May chicken sila, do not know how much. Pero this is not native. They have also, we ordered pompano.
yeah.
And spaghetti with meatballs. They have sisig. What's this? What is this?
Calamares.
Calamares. Then we have the chicken there. Excuse me, tinola chicken. Kuya? Actually, ang meron lang dito sa Kamsabros. It's the place.
Yes.
Malamig siya. It's kind of like in Buddha. We call it what? Ano ba yung sa Buddha yan? Ano kaya pinuntahan natin sa Buddha? Dahilayan. Yeah. Not ayun. Straight dahilayan.
Oo, parang dahilayan ang lamig.
Malamig. Makain ko yung sila.
Minsan, may time siya na malamig, tapos biglang init. Ganyan.
Kaya maraming tao.
Oo, maraming tao. Pero kanina mas marami. Ngayon, hindi na masyado kasi ano na, after lunch na. Yan, kain lang ng kain. Meron pa, spaghetti.
Pinakaya yan.
Oo, tingnan mo naman ang mga pagkain. Hindi na maano, hindi na may tsura.
Ay, I'm starving.
Oh, saan na naman kayo? Nandoon sa bag siguro ni Beauty. Saan kayo, kuya?
So guys, we just finished our lunch, and now we're going to ride the horsey.
Go.
We're going to
So?
a horsey or a horse. Let's go, guys. Let's go, Karen. Hi, guys. So guys, we're going to ride the horse over there. That bar over there, that's the entrance. So let's go. Let's see.
Ang mga kamay na nila pang
alcohol muna, alcohol.
Saan nakalagay ang pagkuna?
Nandyan sa likod man, nandun sa iyo banda. Safety first. Safety first. So guys, let's go now. But we're just going to wait at the bar for us. Let's
Ang
wait.
facial ko din.
No, let's go here.
Wait!
Picture?
Oh, wait.
Oo. Let's wait for them.
Okay.
Oo, kuya. Yeah.
So guys, we're going to look at the view. So cool! There's a balcony!
Careful.
Ako lang maghawak.
Doon ka.
I'm scared.
It's okay.
Guys, the view that is really scary right now. I'm not sure if it's safe.
Hmm? Come here.
Ate, pwede may continue. Ako na lang hawak. Sige.
This is scary. I'm scared. We're gonna take pictures. Don't look down. Guys, look at the. Don't look down. It's so scary. I don't want to die. There's nothing. No, there's something. What is that? Maliit lang, oh.
Lalim?
Maliit lang ng toy.
Wow, look beauty oh.
Oh my God! Look at that! Wow! It's against the light. Wow! So guys, we got tickets from the cable lift, so we can go to the zip line. Let's go.
It's not zip line. Cable lift.
And maybe the phone will go. So mommy, when we're going to video, you should hold on to the phone, so it won't drop.
Yeah, I know. Go. Go, go. Go. Where's Kuya? Beauty!
So guys, hindi na po kami mag horseback riding. Ano na lang, cable lift. Pumayag naman yung mga bata, kaya tingnan natin. First time po actually sumakay ng cable lift.
Where's Kuya Ayo?
Okay. Let's go guys.
Bigay mo yung ticket. Give mo yung ticket kay Kuya.
I think. Or 4. I don't know. Ay, hindi.
Oh, no. Wag na. Ibigay na lang doon. Later. Doon, oh. Wait kayo doon. Mag-wait kayo doon. Wag na ipunit. Come. Yes.
Nag-video na. Ano yan? Oy, ayusin mo. Silent mode on lagi.
Okay, ma'am. Ready na, ma'am?
Ayan na. That's not them.
Kale.
Kuya ba?
So now,
Bye,
we are ready. Alis na kami. Wow, ganda, ganda.
Oh my God!
Hello. Ang saya-saya. Gitu. Hi. Kuya Eyo. Hi guys.
We were at the cable leaf. It was so terrifying. I was at the back. There was a handle, so that's why I handle at the back of mommy. So I was terrifying, and I wasn't even shouting, but it's terrifying.
So what was your feelings? Did you enjoy?
Enjoy a little bit, but a little bit not enjoy.
Okay. Okay.
So guys, we're going to be back. We're going back now. At the climb lift. We landed here. We landed here. Some two people is at the climb lift. So we're just going to wait here until we get.
We're next.
We are next.
Now guys, pabalik na kami doon.
Pabalik na kami.
Ay! Ay, Diyos ko.
Sila ka ba ba kami?
Wala. Hi! Ma! Ay, no! Mahulog ka ha! Ay! Ay!
Kanina ba ako sige ganyan, okay? Relax lang ako. So guys, that's it for today. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and